I knew I was going to get a lot of backlash from a bunch of people when I started talking about the horrible experience I had with pets. But then what I did not expect was the number of people who actually resonated with what I went through and started commenting and sending me DMs about the issues that they also went through. So that is when it occurred to me that we need to talk more about these things. When we need a change in the field, we need to first acknowledge that there is a problem. Today I'm going to talk about a vet who really screwed me over a lot. Let's call this vet Suresh. That's not his real name. But then it's difficult to talk without a name. So Suresh did not have a vehicle of his own. So he used to work in a small village where he was posted, and he used to take a bus from there, get on in a bus stand, and walk 2 kilometers to the clinic and sit outside the clinic until it's opened. So I felt really bad for him. So I gave Suresh an extra key and gave him my two-wheeler so that he can travel up and down and actually open the clinic and rest a while inside before the clinic actually opens for patients. So this was going on well. And then I always used to observe that he's quite indifferent to people with money and people who lack money. So patients who seem well off or have come in fancy cars or with fancy pets, he used to talk really nice with them. But on the other hand, if people who are from a poorer background come, he treats them really bad. So this is something I observed with him. So what he started doing was that as he was talking and socializing with the rich patients, he slowly starts giving out his number to them and asks them to call. So what he started doing was that he took the patient's number, called them and told them for vaccination that he would come home and do. So during the time, around 4:30 to 6, no one is in the clinic. He used to get the two-wheeler, which I gave, take the vaccinations, which we purchased, go to the same patients of our clinics, charge them, put it in his pocket and come back. So God knows for how many days this was going on, but then it soon came out when a couple of patients called me when he was not picking the call, asking whether he would show up today for vaccination as he promised. And eventually I confronted him and I fired him from the job. Main issue is that when we're dealing with someone who is going to handle the life of our pets, the life of our babies, how can we trust someone who's not even ethical, who does not have a concept of integrity? How can we trust such people to take care of a vet? Oh, and he's still working in a government job, earning really well. I for sure know that he steals drugs from the government facility, which comes for free for patients, and he sells it out. I'm pretty sure it's happening.